Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making an unoccupied bed. My name is Chidima. First things first, we're going to wash our hands, don on some gloves, then ensure that the bed is in a high enough position so we don't have to bend over so much to that will hurt our backs. And then we'll put down the side rails if you have one. Then we'll take off the blanket, the big blanket. We'll fold it up. If it's not soiled, we'll fold it up. And we can reuse it. We could put this on a chair. Put it on a chair. Then we'll take off the bed. We'll start on one side. We have to stand. Make sure what we're wearing, our clothes are not touching the bed. So that's why we raise it up to the highest possible position. Then we'll take off the bed sheet. Try not to lean over. You just take it off halfway. You go around. And take it off. Then we'll also take off the pillowcase. And then we'll drop the pillow on the chair. And then we'll fold up the bed sheet, roll them up inside out, hold it away from clothes, and put it in the hamper. Okay? First things first, we have our clean change of bed sheet here. We put it on a bedside table, which we already wiped down. And we have on it, we have a fitted sheet, an absorbent sheet, a flat sheet, a blanket, and a pillowcase. Okay? So after taking off the bed sheet, we'll check if there are any spills, blow any spills on the bed, and then we'll wipe it off with disinfectant or whatever the hospital requires. Then we'll take off our gloves and wash our hands. And you come back in and start with the fitted sheet. First, you put in the fitted sheet. Halfway. And then we'll take our absorbent pod, and then we'll place it in the middle of the bed. Okay, go over to the other side and straighten it out. Straighten the absorbent pad. Okay. Then we'll take a flat sheet, place it on the bed. Make sure most of it is at the end of the bed, most of the flat sheet. When you get it up to the head of the bed, okay, get it halfway. Go over to the other side. Try not to lean over the bed so much so you don't get anything on your, or whatever is on your cloak on the bed. Okay? And then we'll take the blanket and place it on the bed. Make sure that most of it is on the bottom. Okay, go over to the other side. Okay. And then we can fold the top half like this. Then we tuck the bottom of the bed underneath. Tuck the bottom like that. And tuck the other side. Okay. And then we pick up this edge and form a triangle. And then tuck it in like that. And drop it. We do that for the other side. Pick it up, form a triangle, and tuck it. And drop it. And then you make the bed. Okay? And then you put on the pillowcase on the pillow. You get the pillow. You get the pillowcase, you open it up, you turn it over. And take the middle, hold on to the middle of the pillowcase. Then you grab the pillow in the middle. You grab the pillow in the center, like that. Like that. And then you put the pillowcase over it. See? Voila. Then you put the pillowcase on the bed. If it's a home where they have blanket, a big duvet, you can place it on the bed. This. Like this. Tuck it in, fold it up. Okay. Then you reduce the bed to the lowest position. Then you put the call light within reach. When you're done, you can wash your hands. You can take out the dirty linens first to the laundry and wash your hands. So that's how you make a bed. Bye.